I'm just about to go into this home. Already loving the turquoise pots at the front, and we'll go through the door and have a look. This is the entry, the hallway. They've got beautiful tropical wallpaper across here and some beautiful artwork. So you walk in, and on your right hand side you've got like a little area here that I guess it's sort of like a little TV area, and then through here you've got a nice study area. Loving the French doors. And then we'll go through into guest bedroom through here, and then you've got guest bathroom across here. Back in the hallway, loving this wallpaper. I'm going through, and first thing I see is beautiful open plan living and a gorgeous kitchen. Coming out here, you've got your powder room. So they've chosen a really cool sort of wallpaper, which is like, it looks navy on camera, but I think it's a black as well. Straight through here, you've got the spare bedroom, and they've got really funky wallpaper as well. Really cute. I'm loving the use of different patterns and colors. Loving that wallpaper. This one they've set up as a nursery. So I think it's going to be a 4-bedroom house. I'll have to have a look. So you've got the shelving here. So it's a small room, so I guess that's why they've used it as a nursery, but that's all that you need. So I'm walking through the corridor now, and I've got a beautiful way over here. So we've got the kitchen, and look at this. Look at the size of this kitchen island. I've never seen anything so big, babe.
It's about,
how big is it?
3 meters long and about 2 meters wide.
Yeah, so 3 meters long and 3 meters wide. It's honestly, it's huge. And then you've got storage here. Great idea. So you can keep all your cookbooks across here.
You should have a look at this sink. It's beautiful.
And we'll go have a look at the sink. So they've used, looks like they've used subway tiles across here. And I really love, hey babe, really love the way they've done the pots and pans there. That actually reminds me of our house back in Tuscany and the way my grandparents used to hang that. Love it. It just brings a little bit more charm, I guess, to the kitchen. And then they've got the walk-in pantry through here.
That's the European.
Yeah, so it's got the gorgeous sort of European feel. And coming across here, you overlook the open plan. Loving the stools. This kitchen so much, guys. And look at these stools here. Just gorgeous. So they've been custom made for the island. But I just love that idea of having the pots and pans there. Just beautiful. But the size of this is massive. And that's the ceiling. Got the coffered ceiling just above here. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen. And then you've got the sink here. If I have to be picky, I actually don't know for such a big house if this sink is honestly big enough for this area. I mean, I love the farmhouse sink, but maybe a double sink and maybe a butler's pantry with with the hidden sink there as well. But love it. Over here you've got a bit of a water feature, and they've used something that I love, your blue and white. Hi guys. Beautiful, love the styling. It's got this sort of elegant beachy Hampton sort of style going on over here. And then I'll take a quick tour outside. 1 second. This is their outdoor area. They've got use of, I guess their theme would be black and white. Great contrast. And then across here, I don't know if you guys remember, but at the front they had those amazing turquoise pots I should say, and they're across here, so beautiful. I would consider this a plunge pool because it's tiny, but I guess when it's a hot day it'll do. And let me keep going. So I'm just going to go back in. Okay, that's back in the kitchen. So I really like the really dark hardwood floors against all of the white. So I think there's another bedroom in here, so we'll go take a look. Now this looks like the master bedroom. So you've got the guest bedrooms and the kids' bedrooms at the start, at the entry. And this is the master bedroom. So you've got walk-in wardrobe. Oh, I'm liking that. So they've got, oh, look at this floor. Beautiful black and white flooring. And then they've used subway tiles. And you've got your bath. And then your shower. Now the only thing is, I'm not 100% sure what I think about not having any glass around here because you'll be splashing everything, but some small minor details that I could easily fix. But really large bath. Over this way you've got the toilet through there. Come across this way. Go back into the walk-in wardrobe, and now we'll check out the bedroom. So that's the bedroom. You've got a really cool design, like dark wallpaper. Loving the antique rug. And then across here you've got your French doors overlooking the little plunge pool area.
And there's a little cute little outdoors.
There is, isn't there? And then we'll go back out onto
the next one.
The main living area.
closer.